Well, I think what happens is we experience something, and I can't remember who it was that said it, but said that our concept of the present is about 3 seconds long. So after about 3 seconds, what you've experienced starts to move into something called the past. People say, well, doesn't the past matter? Well, of course the past matters, but the past only exists in the present. The future only exists in the present.
To me, fate has become nonsense. There's no such thing as fate. There are certain aspects of your existence, there's certain aspects of where you are here and now that you don't have much control over.
There are moments when you have those connections, and they can be momentary, and they can be profound. You can have a connection with a stranger that can be completely profound. And just because you have that one momentary, profound connection doesn't mean you're always going to get it from that person.